All right, welcome everyone. Welcome back. The 6th of January. New year, new me, new trades, new profits. All right, let's take a look at this over here. Let's start with gold on the monthly. I don't really look at the monthly. I don't even know why I'm looking at the monthly at this point. But anyway, let's take a look on the weekly. Okay, so the weekly is basically consolidating. Awesome, no problem. We also got Trump's inauguration later on this month, so we can't forget that. Now, looking at it basic from the 4-hour perspective, we can identify we have a support, very simple, just like in the simulation we did yesterday. And then we have a resistance right over here, right? So we got a support and we have a resistance. Let's break this down in the 1-hour time frame. Now, looking at on the 1-hour time frame, we have obviously the support right over here at the bottom, and at the same time we have a resistance around, what's this price? 26.45. So basically we are in a range at this point. It's like a 64-70 pip range. Currently price is in the middle of a range, so there's nothing much that we or anyone can do. Let's adjust this resistance based on the 1-hour time frame, just like this. Boom, perfect. Let's take a look on a 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame is the time frame which I call the execution time frame. Like I like to execute on the 30-minute time frame, sometimes on 15-minute time frame, but mostly on the 30-minute, as we can see right here. Now, the 30-minute obviously has this resistance 26.45. Let's draw this line over here. Boom, boom, boom. Let's do this like this. Now, if you do break above 26.46, there's a range to the left hand side. It's like a 45, 50 pip range where price can move up, right? So maybe that's going to be a potential target coming into our London session, London Open. And obviously, if you do break below 26.37, let's clone this line to the bottom, 26.37. Looking to the left-hand side. There's a lot of wicks over here to the left. There's a lot of problem over here, and I don't like this. I don't like these wicks here to the left-hand side, to be very honest with you. So I mean, if we do end up breaking below 26.37. Right? If we do end up breaking below 26.37, I would anticipate volume to continue driving price down to 26.31. That's the 50 pip range over there. You know, I know there's a rejection there, but with volume around pre-London or London Open, we can break below this wicks and we can fill this wick here at 26.32 and tap into the support. You know, that's something that we're identifying over here. At the same time, if we break about 26.45, there's a big possibility we can continue pushing up to this resistance over here. But right now, we are in a consolidation area. You know, price is ranging. It's in the middle of this range. The volume is low, you know, so there's nothing much that we can do at this point, apart from the fact to wait up until price comes down towards 26.38, 26.37. If we create support and this is a clean move, then we can say, okay, now price can continue to push up. Again, if this is a clean move and we create support, then we can continue to push up. Other than that, we're just going to be waiting over here for gold, see what happens. Let's take a look at pound yen. Oh, wow, pound yen rejected the area from here at the bottom. Look at that. We rejected that area. Let's take a look at this. We have a resistance formed up there. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we can adjust these zones further. Resistance, and then we have a support right over here. Let's take a look on the 1-hour time frame. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, we have some more information now, obviously. First of all, we have this resistance being created. I want to take a look at this, if this resistance is created on the 30-minute time frame as well. Looking at 30-minute, yeah, we are creating a resistance on the 30-minute. There we go. And at the same time, we have a support. So we have that resistance and we have that support. So if we measure this range, this is a 34 pip range for price, right? It's a 34 pip range. At the same time, let's identify the support down over here around 195, 151. So yeah, like, you know, we're also in this range on pound yen. You know, it's very, very easy on pound yen. If you do break below 195,800, you have all this clean range here to the left hand side where price can move into. Right? If we do come down, create support, obviously we've made a new high, and if we create support, there's an 80% probability that this high will be retested, so that will be the retest. But if we do just break and close above 196,200, let's take a look to the left hand side. What's happening to the left hand side? Make this a little bit thicker. So looking to the left hand side, yeah, there's one resistance at 196,430. which is 23 pips away, and then above this area you have another resistance which is 57 pips away at exactly 197. So if we are still trending up, I think 197 could be a target which we can hit, which we can reach potentially, you know, provided we reject 196 and we break and close above 196,200. But let's see what happens. So we're going to see you guys later on for pre-London anyway, around, I'd say like 2, around like 2 a.m. Eastern, 11 p.m. Dubai time. So we're going to see you then. Take care.